YouTube channel. My name is Ernest and today I'm back with another video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to export a PHP file system or any given source code or a given project, a coded project. I will show you how to export it and make it work from your computer on your local computer. And in case you're not subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing and make educational and nice tutorials. So if you're looking forward to gaining a skill, welcome to this YouTube channel, and consider giving this video a thumbs up if that's what you are looking for. And right now, so without wasting any time, let's dive straight into it. So for now, we have this is the system that I downloaded. This is the system made by me, but assuming I've downloaded as a source code from any site. So I get this system. First things first, I'll extract this compressed folder. So when I extract it, I'll take it to my host folder, and in this case I'm going to be using XAMPP server. So whatever server you're using, maybe WAMP or Nginx, so it's up to you. So after extracting this, I'll just cut this and I'll look for my XAMPP server. I'll go to this PC, I'll go to local disk, and I'll go to XAMPP. I'll go to this public folder called htdocs, and I'll paste this right here. So when I paste it here, I want to paste it here, so you can see now it's here. So this is what was there already. Let me delete it. Let me paste the other one here. So it's here, requisition system. So I'll open this folder called requisition system. So you can see that this folder has all and every other file we need and folders. So you can see there is a file that says readme for instruction. It says this was designed and developed blah blah blah. So the part we're focusing on is this. To run the system, make sure you have XAMPP server already or installed on your computer. Create a database called Nestwave Requisition System. So without wasting any time, I'll make sure I'm running my XAMPP server first. So I'm going to come here and make sure Apache and MySQL are working. So after that, I'll go to any browser or my favorite browser. Right now I'm using YouTube. Right now I'm using Google Chrome. So I'll just say localhost, and I'll go to phpMyAdmin to create a database. So when you go to phpMyAdmin, you make sure you're going to create a database that was specified in this, and it's called Nestwave Requisition System. So I'll copy this and come here to databases, database name. I'll create it this way. So I'll check first if I don't have it. So I have it here. Let me just delete this. Let me drop requisition system. So after dropping that, I'll come back to databases and go to create. And I'll just paste this here. I'll say created this database, and this is saying then import the SQL file, or for the hosted platform, import the SQL file indicated in the folders straight to phpMyAdmin. So I'll just come back here, and they say SQL, it's here. So I just bring this or even this. Yeah, so I bring this and I want to import it to phpMyAdmin. So I'll come to import here to choose a file. Just drag this, drag it here, and yes, it's uploaded. So I'll go back to my database. You can see that the tables are there already because this configuration file named .sql, it has all the configurations needed to do this. So you can see here I have accounts, this and this. Yeah, so now the next thing, I'm going to run this system, so I'll duplicate this. Now say localhost. So you bring the same name here, slash, bring this same name of this. I'll bring the same name so that I run it here, paste it here, and I run. So when I run, you can see now it's opening and it's bringing me the login details for me to log in. So that's how you import a system. So let me go ahead and log in. I'll log in as the manager. The password will be, this is the password. Yeah, it's not encrypted, so I'll log in straight, and you can see that the system is working perfectly and it's launching. So that's how it works. In case you get some system and you're going to put it on localhost, that's the process of running a PHP file system. So in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to actually host a site, or how to make a system work on a live website that's fully working. So I'll be taking you through the basics of cPanel, and you see how you can use it. In case you don't know phpMyAdmin, I have a video talking about phpMyAdmin. In case you're new to this, if you don't know SQL, you can study phpMyAdmin. You can even follow up the video. You can see up there, I've put that video there, so you can be able to follow that. But for more updates, keep subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to share and hit the like button. I'll be grateful, and have a nice day.